Alright guys, sorry. Are you seeing this on your screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, alright, let us start then. Alright, so I want to start guys with a flip grid activity, okay? What does this activity is gonna be? Okay? This will be an interactive one because what is gonna be happening here, I will provide you with a link, okay, which is this one right here on the, if you can notice, I will send this to the WhatsApp group, okay? So right there on this WhatsApp, on this link, what will happen, it will, when you click it, it will automatically send you to this page right here. So on this page, what you can see here, it will have a question. So the question actually said, watch the following video on what is a polygon, then describe in your own words what is the main difference between irregular and regular polygons. So we have already talk about the polygons. We said we have two types, which are the regular and irregular polygons. So what will happen here is that you actually provide you with a video, okay? You can watch it. It's actually the same video that I shared with you on the first cycle. It's on the Google Classroom, so it's actually the same video, so you can just watch it and recall the information. And then what happens is that it is gonna be right here down where the question is. It will have a red button right here that will say record a response. So what you're gonna be doing is that you're gonna be clicking on that button, and it will allow you to record a response. What does that mean by record a response? It will make you record a answer for the question, which is gonna be like a video format, okay, which is gonna be with the time of 1 minute and 30 seconds. So what I want you to do, right, is actually to record the answer for that question. That question will only, it's only what is the difference between the regular and irregular polygons. When you click on response to the answer, it will give you the option to record a video. So the video will be from 1.5 minutes. It doesn't have to last the 1.5 minutes as well. I only want you to record your answer. And it will give you the option for it to be a video also, right? So it's gonna be a video and audio. So you're gonna be doing that. When you record your answer, you're only gonna be saying, okay, you're gonna say your name, for example. If I am going to reply to the question, I will say, okay, I am Alexis Cumush, and the difference between a regular and an irregular polygon is the following, okay? So I will record the answer, and then automatically when I finish, I just click save, and it will automatically save on the web page, okay? Now if you can also open it from your phone, right? When I send you the link to the WhatsApp group, you can click on the link and it will automatically send you to the web page. It will ask you to download the app. You can go ahead and download the app, and then it will actually allow you to record your answer using your phone. So you're gonna be using your phone for you to video yourself, and you will tell me the answer for that question right there on the video, right? Is that clear, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Alright, so
Yes,
again,
sir.
okay? Yeah, so what will happen here, this is interactive, okay? I want you to record your video of yourself. Just say the answer for the question, okay? And just say your name as well, but I want you to appear on the video as well, right? So this will be just a review for us guys, okay? You're gonna go ahead, do your video and send it to me. I will be checking that, okay? As soon as you save it, I will be checking this on the website and I will know who has already sent its video. Alright? Are we clear on that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Buddy?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so that is the first activity that I want you guys to do. As soon as the presentation is finished, I will be sending you the link so all of you will have you can start doing it, okay? It actually gives you some filters that you could use for your video, okay? If you want to use it, go ahead, right? To present your video, actually, you can do it, right? But I want you to send me the answer for this question by the end of this cycle, okay? This cycle ends on Friday, so next week Friday. So I want you to have a response from all of you guys by Friday, all right? So that is our first activity. Okay? So we continue, okay? All right? All right. So guys, if you remember what we were talking the last class, we said we were talking about regular and irregular polygons. So who can tell me what's a regular polygon? Anybody?
That the sides are the same.
Sides are the same, yes. And what else? What else does this?
And the angles are equal, sir.
Angles are the same, yes, okay?
And they're bonded.
They're bounded together with all their sides equal and all their angles equal, okay? So an irregular polygon, what is the meaning of an irregular polygon, guys? Anybody can tell me that?
They don't have the same sides, sir.
You don't have the same sides and the angles, what happened with the angles?
Different angles.
Different angles, okay? Yes. So last class we were finding if the shapes were regular or irregular. And we come out with this figure here, which is a rhombus. Okay? Many of us say that figure was a regular polygon. Okay? Why do we say it's a regular polygon? Because if we look at the figure, the sides are equal. Okay? If we look at the sides are normally equal. So the first thing that will come into our mind is we're going to be saying that it's a regular polygon. Okay? But if we analyze it carefully, now this time using our protractor, okay? I can see that what happened here is that if I put my protractor this way, and what will happen is that I will end up getting a angle, okay? If I measure from this to this right here, this area right here, I am going to get what we call, okay, 128 degrees. Okay? So that is the angle right there. 128 degrees is the angle. Now if I take my protractor again and I turn it on the other side, which is this one here, okay, I measure the angle how much is the side of the angle it will give me. Okay, 54. Okay, just looking at putting my protractor and finding the angle there, I have found that one side is equals to 54 degrees and the other side is equals to 128 degrees. So if I analyze the rhombus this way that you can see right here, I will end up seeing that I have two angles that are 128 and two angles that are 54 degrees. So what happened here? Okay, who can tell me what is happening here on this shape? What can you notice about this shape? Anybody? Okay.
I can see that it is not a regular, it is an irregular.
This is an irregular. Why do you think it's an irregular?
It has different angles.
It has different angles, yes, okay. The meaning of a regular polygon, it says that all their angles are the same. But when we start to analyze this shape, we find out that actually two angles are big that has 128 degrees, and we have two angles that are small, which is 54 degrees. So I end up right here with after analyzing that, I end up with noticing that this rhombus, although it has the same sides, it has the same length for all its four sides, the angles are different. If I measure the angles, I will end up seeing that two angles are big and two angles are small. So that will end up telling me that it is not a regular polygon, but it is more a irregular polygon. Okay, so a rhombus, guys, although their sides are equal, their angles are not equal. So that is why we can say that a rhombus is a irregular polygon. Okay, you understand this? Yes, I want to see everybody on the chat. Please write it on the chat if you understand. Okay, buddy. Okay, Ali, Alexis, Mitzi, Shahiri, Carlos, Brittany, Melvi, Yahir, Ricardo, Lailani, Melvin, Toriani. Okay, that's all of you. Sherlyn, Valentin. Okay. All right. So we're gonna continue, guys. Now that we have found out about the angles, now we can say that for the regular polygon, for it to be a regular polygon, it needs to have the same angles. In this case, we have two angles that are different. Okay? Alright, so let us continue. Okay? Alright, guys. So I have this activity that I want you guys to work with. Okay? I will be sending this to the WhatsApp group as well. What are the shapes that you can find here? What shapes can you see on this?
Squares.
Square, yes. What else?
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
A pentagon.
A polygon.
Yes, all of them are polygons.
Hexagon.
A hexagon. What else?
A small circle.
A small circle.
Octagon.
A octagon. Yes, the big one is actually an octagon, okay? Alright? So, what we're going to be doing here on this activity, guys, is that you will need to find out the angles of these polygons. So, if we look right here now at the angles, we can see that E, you're going to need to find the angles for E. So, okay, I will show you two examples, okay, and then you will solve it by yourself, okay? So, right? So, for example, let us work on the first one. We want to find the angle E. Is that we are going to be placing my protractor. If you look at how I am placing this here, okay, I make sure that the 0 stays right there where the A is. And if you look at this, look at the 0 line. The 0 line is flush right here. The 0 line should always be flush on the line of the polygon that I want to measure, okay, the angle. So if we measure the angle from here, how much will be the angle? Anybody? Can you see the value right here? What is the value of this angle, guys? Can you see it?
Like 110, sir.
110, exactly, okay? So, okay?
110 degrees.
110 degrees. That will mean that all the angles on this pentagon will be 110. Alright? So I already find the angle for E. So this is going to be 110. Okay? Now, let us find for point B. Right? So for the angle on point B, what do you think will be the answer there?
90 degrees, sir.
90 degrees, yes. We can actually see it without using our protractor. The angle right here in this case for B is going to be 90 degrees. Alright? Alright? I need to use my protractor as well, and I will be able to find my angle at C. And that is what I want you guys to do. I want you to complete this activity, and I want you to find the values for the angles at point C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. That will be the activity that I want you guys for you to complete. So I want you to find the angles using this figure, and I want you to label all of them right here.
On that website, sir?
What?
On that website, you have to work out.
No, I will be giving you this, okay? I will provide you this through the WhatsApp group. I will be providing you with one copy. So what you can do, right, is that if you can print it, you can go ahead and print it. Okay? If you want to sketch it, you can sketch it as well. Hello?
Me, sir.
What happened? Can you repeat your question?
And sir, and for that drawing and
For that drawing, do we need to have it in the package for the same TV?
Yes, I would ask you to please do it and put it on your package. So I will check it on Friday. Okay? So it's gonna be better, okay? I will just check it there, because if you notice, for this cycle you only have 2 drawings for you to do. And this will be only an extra activity that I want you guys to work with. This and the other one with the video. Okay? So I want you guys to work on those 2. And you could print it and send it with your package on, I think it might be Friday. Okay, Friday is the 6th, or they can send it to Monday probably. But I want you to complete the following angles, okay? Just write the angles on this figure, and then you're gonna send it to me on Friday. Alright? Understand, everybody?
Okay, sir.
Yes? Alright, so okay. So this is only an example here, okay? About how you can, okay, if you notice here, they already find the angles. And that is what I want you guys to do. Find the angles here.
Also,
Hmm?
the question, sir,
No, this is just an example, okay?
send the answers.
What? Can you repeat?
We just have to send the answers.
I need the diagram, okay? If you can print the picture and then write the angles as well. Make sure you find the angles using your protractor. Okay? And I want you guys to send me this by Friday.
So the package will
Yes?
Sir, so the package will be on a Friday, sir, or they haven't updated yet?
Well, the cycle 6 finish on Friday, so probably it's gonna be on Monday that you're gonna return back the package. Right? So when you return the package, I want you to have this as well, okay? This one. Right?
Octagon?
Okay? It's an octagon, yes. And it has an angle of 135 degrees. So we have another figure here. What is this figure? Okay. This is a square, if you can notice.
Square, sir.
Yes, it's a square. And the angle, what is the angle? If you notice, the angle is 90. Right? So I want you guys to do it like this. Find the angles using your protractor. Okay? One thing when you use your protractor, guys, make sure that the 0 line is always flush on the figure. This 0 line has to be the 0 line. You can't use the 180. If you use the 180, it will give you a wrong angle. Has to be the 0 right here. The 0 line has to be flush with the line of the polygon. For example, if you notice how I set my protractor here, look at the 0. It is flush to this line. Now for the other figure, if you notice, the 0 line is actually flush as well. This way. Right? You need to make sure that when you are measuring your angle, you need to make sure that that 0 line always stay flush with the line of your figure. Okay? Everybody understand that's this part with your protractor? I want everybody to type this on your...
Sir?
Yes? Just type it on the chat box so I will...
Sir?
Yes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes? Alright. The rest of you, I want you to type it on the chat box. Okay? Mitzi, Shahiri, Jadiel, Sherlyn. Okay? Brittany, Yahir, Carlos, okay, Valentin. All right, that's good. Okay. All right, Melvi, Ricardo, okay, Melvi Yam, okay. All right. So I want you to work on these two activities, guys, for this cycle. I will be sending you this right here. This is okay, and this is the one I want you to work with. Okay. This is the figure I want you to complete with the angles. I want you to find the angles for all of them right here. Okay, so you have two more activities for me to complete. First one is the flip grid. I will be sending you the link, okay, as soon as we finish the class. It has a code as well, okay. It has a join code right here. I will be sending you the code as well. So if they ask you for the code, that is the code right there. And right here you will be recording a video of you explaining what is the difference of a regular and an irregular polygon. Okay? Where can you record the answer? Okay, remember I said that you could use your phone. If you use your phone, what this will happen is that it will, okay? You can do it in your front screen. It's just like if you are recording a video, okay? Once you download the app on your phone, it will automatically, when you press the button that says record a response, it will automatically send you, open your camera from your phone, and you will be able to record your video. Alright? You can try it. Okay, try it. It's very easy to do. And I only want you to record your answer for that question. Okay? Any questions, guys, on what you're gonna be doing for me this cycle?
No, sir.
No? Everything clear? Yeah? No? What happened, Sherlyn?
Clear, sir.
Okay? Yes? Okay. Alright, so what you're gonna be doing?
I mean, I am.
Yes? Alright, so what you gonna be doing for this cycle, guys? Okay, make I ask somebody what you gonna be doing? So if you don't have any questions, I want you to type in the chat box that everything is clear. So that will be all for right now. Okay? I want everybody on the chat box right now, okay? Alright, Shahiri, yes, all clear. Wells, only Shahiri understand what we're gonna be doing. Okay, Ricardo, Brittany, Lailani, Sherlyn, okay? Anster, Shahir, Valentin, okay? Carlos, Janina, okay? The drawings for the package, guys, there are two drawings. Okay, I will be sending you a video as well how to do the drawings. However, on the package it gives you a link as well how you want for you to be able to draw the drawings. So you can look at the link, but I will be providing you with a copy as well. Okay, I will be making a video for you guys to do the drawing as well. Alright? Okay, link for the Flipgrid activity, and I will be sending the other diagram that you need to find the angles as well. Okay, all right. So if everything is clear right now, okay, that is all for today, and We'll see us again, okay? In the next class, probably it's gonna be on the next week, okay? Alright? So if everything is clear, I will stop sharing right now. Okay? Alright? And that's all for today, guys, okay? So